Hi everyone, we are going to be changing gears this week and we're going to be looking at Puck's ending, the aspects of love, and also the play inside the play. I'd like to start with Puck's ending because that is my favorite part. Shakespeare has some takeaway messages that we can all probably come up with several different ones. The ones that I came up with for this lecture. Dreaming is universal. Everybody on the planet dreams. And there's a surreal feeling or quality when we're dreaming where no matter what's going on, somehow in the back of our minds we are aware that this is a dream and it's not reality. So we all dream and we all have that desire for our wishes and our dreams to come true in the way that we hope. So that's very familiar to us. Also, Puck is trying to tell the audience not to take offense to the things that they've seen or heard in this performance. We see this in our real life all the time. It's very easy to be offended by other people, and we're not very happy when we are taking offense. So we need to just accept what we can believe in and then move on. And lastly, it's important for us to forgive and be forgiven. And that's kind of what Puck is asking for as he rights his wrongs and tries to tie it all up in a nice little bow and set everything right. And so we see that in life. We're much happier as we forgive and think better of people, and in turn that we're hoping that they will forgive us for our missteps and our stumbles and think better of us. The aspects of love. We've got the fairy king and queen who have a very long and established relationship, and compared to that we have the young lovers who are start off the play very fickle. And so we can see that the fairy king and queen, even though there's a trick played on the queen, and then they're fighting over the boy, that they do come back together the next morning and all is right with them. And so their mature love seems to be more forgiving. The young lovers, on the other hand, they're in that new shiny stage of love, and so they're kind of fickle, especially in the beginning of the play. So we can kind of compare them. The mature love is more like faded in jeans, and the new love is more like sparkly new shoes, and we don't know if they're going to give us blisters or not, but in the beginning we just want to wear them. The play inside the play. I know there's a lot of confusion on why Shakespeare decided to put a play inside this play. One, it gives the audience a break from all the drama. It also adds an element of humor to the danger that is happening at the beginning of the play, for sure. But some takeaway messages would be: life is not all drama. You know, there are times when we can laugh at the things that are happening to us. Maybe sometimes it isn't until later on when things are already made right. But humor is important. It's the best medicine. And sometimes we need to accept things for what they are, laugh, and keep on moving. And that's kind of what happens in this play. Puck accidentally creates all this chaos, and instead of just giving up, he tries to make it right, and in the end he does. So I want you to think about maybe how dreams are important in your own life, how love plays out in your own life, and it doesn't have to be romantic love. It could be, the love in your family. um, how you have forgiven others or how you have been forgiven, and how you see humor in your daily struggles. I hope this helps for this week, and I applaud your efforts with tackling A Midsummer Night's Dream. Be sure and let me know if you have any questions. Just jump on the muddiest point, and we will figure this all out together. Until next time, bye-bye.